Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to implement throttling in our microservices, or in the last video we have implemented the rate limiting via Ocelot. Or let me show you the things like what the actual thing that we have implemented. So like this is the Ocelot.json file, or we have added the rate limit options there. We have added some configurations on all the endpoints which is associated in the Ocelot.json. Now let me tell you one thing that we have implemented the rate limiting, or your Ocelot supports the rate limiting like fixed window size based rate limiting. But if you want to implement the throttling, so throttling is a process where like your rate limiting only stops, like only executes the like n number of limits. That's it. After the execution, like you will see the message too many requests. But throttling is a advanced concept as compared to the rate limiting. Okay, or it is the one step after the rate limiting, because suppose your limit is full. Now the upcoming next request you want to make it smooth execution. Okay, so to implement the smooth execution, and if you want the smooth execution after the rate limiting, so like it you will take the advantage of the throttling. Or as I have already told you that Ocelot supports only fixed window rate limiting. So now let's go with the further things, or we will implement the throttling per services. Okay, we will have to implement the like throttling here. We have to implement throttling quota services in the product services as well. So this is how like a throttling looks like. So basically what you have to do here, like right now we are working with the we are working with the uh, like Ocelot. Okay, or this is why we are changing our approach. But in case of like if we use other API gateways, so like we don't, like everything will be covered in a single segment, which is the your microservices gateway. But in case of Ocelot, we have to do the extra effort in these services as well. So let's see like how to implement the throttling via SP.NET Core rate limiter. So let's go there. So like we will implement the throttling in the outer services, or this is our program CS. Okay, so first of all let me write the configurations for the rate limiting. Okay, or we will implement the rate limiting on the basis of the policy. So first of all we will be required to add the some configurations in the program of CS file as well. Oh guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Or of course we want your support to grow this channel. Or if you are watching our videos for the first time, and if you want to learn microservices, so you can watch our first videos on the microservices, or like it was the 1 hour. In the 1 hour you will see like how to set up the microservices like this. Okay, so builder.services add rate limiter, or basically I will just initialize the options like this. Or now it's time to add the options dot add fixed window rate limiter. Of course we will add the these kind of things. Now I will add the order policy. Okay, you can name it anything, but in my case I will just use the simply as a order policy. Thereafter I will initialize the option. Okay, it should be opt, or one by one like I will give the opt dot permit limit. Okay, the permit limit I will give it as a 3. Or the thing like opt dot window size, so window size I will give it as a 30 seconds of the window. Okay, or the another next configuration that I want to add, which is the queue limit. So the queue limit that I am giving here, it has a 2. So what is the difference between permit limit and queue limit? So the queue limit is a suppose if a user hits, like if I get the 3 limits, so it will execute end to end. But after the at the stage of 4th request and 5th request, your both these requests will be in the queue. Okay, so it will wait until the queue is empty. So it will not stop the executions immediately. Okay, so this is the things works behind the things. Okay, now let's implement, like if the request is like rejected, so how we will like handle those situations. Okay, like we have to give the response in a very better way. So let's add the context or token there. Or now let's initialize this kind of things. A context dot http context, like we will add the response with the status code that I want to give, which is the like 429, because 429 status code represents the too many requests kind of things. Okay, now let's add the like let's give the response as well. So http context dot response dot write as json async, or I will add a new object. Okay, or basically I will just give a message, or like too many requests, please try again. Okay, along with that you can give the success variable as well. So like I will just give it as a false. Okay, or in this way, like you can implement the rate limiting. Now it's time to add the rate limiter and middleware here. So make sure that like while you adding the rate limiting, so you have to give after the redirection and before the authentication. So app dot use rate limiter. Okay, now we have added the rate limiter. Now it's time to define the policy. Like we are working with the policy based rate limiting. So of course I will go to the orders controller, or like suppose I want to add the throttling at this API, add the services. So basically I will just add the enable rate limiting. Okay, or the policy name that I want to give, which is the like order policy. Now everything is done now. Or let's go to the microservices gateway, or now let's increase the size of this get orders API. Okay, I want to increase the limit it as a 20 or 60 seconds. Okay, like we have to increase our window size as well. Like we are increasing our limit. Okay, or that like for the okay, it should on the create orders, not on the like it should on the get orders, not on there. Okay, so get or limit I will make it as a 20, or it should be 60 second. That's good. Okay, now the things looks perfect. Okay, now let's run the application on our test, like everything is working fine or not. Okay, so let's start the application, or let me show you the things like what the actual like what is like why I have put this limit. Okay, or like why I have put this limit. What is different between two things? Okay, so like to test our throttling. Okay, like this, like of course you have to increase the limit at the at your Ocelot level. Okay, at your API gateway level, to tell you like is it actually working or not. Okay, this is why I increased there. But like in the production level we actually like decrease like your your limit size will be lower than as compared to the service wise rate limiter. Okay, so this is how you have to make sure that things should work. Okay, or of course we implement the throttling rate limiting at the API gateway level, but in case of like Ocelot, so things becomes change. Okay, or let's see that how the things are working. So let's wait for run this application. So thereafter we can test everything is working fine or not. So the application is now starting. Now let's hit our login API, or we will try to get the token as well. So let's hit the enter, or I will try to get the token as well. Oh, guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whatever as well, and hit the like button. Or guys, like I just want to give you information that we are starting our SQL workshop on 31st May. Okay, and you can join and participate our SQL workshop. Okay, or like the registration link will be found in the description box of this video as well. So we got this token, or we will pass this token in the authorization header. Okay, so this is our get orders API. Okay, the get orders service. So everything will be done on via the API gateway level. Okay, so let's send the request, or we will see like how the things are working. Okay, so this is our first request. second request, third request, or after the fourth request, you will see like it will not execute it hand to hand. Okay, like the things are ongoing. Okay, like or like it is not stopped immediately. It will wait until one queue is like empty. Okay, if the queue is empty, so like it will give us response as well. Okay, or if you test it again. Okay, so in this way, like it will again reloading the things. Okay, this is how like things looks very smooth. Okay, instead of giving the stop the executions as we have seen in the previous videos. Okay, so guys, I hope you love this video and you love this content as well, or I hope you have understand like how the rate limiting actually works. Okay, and like how the throttling is implemented. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.